We are pleased to show you the 2019 E-PACE. The Jaguar E-PACE sport utility vehicle offers an athletic-looking exterior and technology that will impress. The E-PACE is a perfect blend of vast luxury in a compact SUV body. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.